I'm Kirk Holding with the Living in Spokane, North Idaho team. Today, if you've landed on the channel, you're probably looking for some home on acreage, and this is a great buy. Coming in at $685,000, just under 6 acres. It's a 1924 farmhouse. So it's got all the cool looks of an old farmhouse, yet everything's been updated and modernized. You got vinyl windows, you got bathrooms have been updated, new flooring. Got mini splits for heat and AC as well, and all set here in an awesome setting. So we're gonna give you a tour and get to it right now. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Again, I hope you enjoyed this. One of the best things about this place is the scenery and the lot. The 6 acres, it's just super quiet, very serene. Birds chirping, you love it if you're looking for some peace, slower down pace of life. Again, if you're looking to make a move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text. We'd love to sit down and talk with you to help make a plan to sell your house for top dollar or help you find that dream home. So until next time, we hope to see you around town.